Hey tribe, welcome back again to today's vlog. So we are going to be doing a little day in the life of this stay-at-home mom of four. So today my friend was supposed to come in from Florida. She was coming to into Texas, so she would definitely be coming to stopping by to see me and the kids. So I was just prepping and getting ready to make her something. She actually wanted to go eat Nigerian food somewhere, but I was like, you know what, I'll cook you something. Because if you know me, you know that if I love you, then I'm going to cook something for you. So I offered to make her something that she wanted. And yeah, we went ahead. I, of course, started dressing up the bed, just putting things together. I initially thought we were going to go out like after eating, but we did not get to go out because we just stayed talking and all. And yeah, we later went out. We went to buy suya, and there's this particular Nigerian joint place, Nigerian restaurants kind of thing, and we went there. We got some suya and all of that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Yeah, it's a very short one, but listen, I'm trying to be consistent, and I'm like, I must post this. I don't have to keep putting it off. So here you go. So welcome back. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada, and I do everything cleaning, motivation, organization, vlogs, like this, and many more. And I have 4 beautiful babies. And yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Welcome back again. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm excited for this vlog, but I think I love doing, I don't know which one I love more, the vlogs or the cleaning videos. And by the way guys, subscribe if you have not done that already, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Click the red button down and turn on your notification bell, because I have so many amazing cleaning and organization videos coming up. I'm so excited. But yeah, I have a lot. I've just been kind of like organizing my home and just cleaning and decluttering and doing all of that. So yeah, I'm trying as much as I can to film as much as I can, and I'm also vlogging. So yeah, we're going to have more vlogs and all of that. So I'm really excited for the organization part, and if God's willing, we decide to leave this space and get us another space, that will be my, well, how would I put it, that would be like the best part of this year for me, or the best part of whatever that happens. That will be the best part, because I love home decor, I love organizing, I just love decorating, all those things. I just love it. Okay, I love cooking, I love, like, I don't have a niche. I don't think I do have a niche. I just love living my life and doing what I want to do. Like, why do I have to narrow it down if I know how to cook, how to do makeup, how to do hair, how to, yeah, that's a blessing. So I might as well share the blessing with the world. So yeah, I know I'm not niching nothing. Okay. So you get what you get. You get a bit of everything. You get all the fun stuff. Yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, I do a lot. I'm a woman of many talents. My kids will tell you that, but yeah, I do a lot. I know how to do a whole lot of things. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So this was me making breakfast for myself, and as well as making the ogbono soup. But then after I got so carried away, I didn't even get to film a whole lot more. But yeah, if you guys need any type of cooking video or anything you guys want me to do, just let me know in the comments, and I'm definitely going to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog of mine. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next video. Like this video, share, as that helps my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already. And of course, I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next video. This ogbono soup was lit. When I tell you this was the best, it was lit. But anyways, bye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.